Start eating healthy foods to get a body that smells fresh and natural without perfume. The skin will not only look good, but it will also smell good. To begin, avoid pungent scented foods like garlic or turmeric because they can cause body odor. If you have body odor issues, we must also avoid bacteria by using antibacterial soap. The consumption of these 7 natural ingredients can make the body smell good. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics, which aid digestion and act as a natural deodorant. Yogurt consumption may be able to naturally overcome excess body odor in this case. 2. Lemon and water. When lemon and water are combined, they have incredible health benefits. A well-hydrated body will leave the skin looking fresh and glowing. 3. Cinnamon, thyme, and mint. These 3 ingredients are a must-have for any woman who knows how to cook. This spice is useful for removing unpleasant sweat odors in addition to flavoring dishes. 4. Citrus fruit. Citrus fruits have a significant impact on body odor because they are effective at removing unpleasant odors from the body, and replacing them with pleasant aromas. Citrus fruits such as oranges, strawberries, pineapples, and apples are all members of the citrus fruit family, so feel free to eat your favorite fruit to make your body smell good. 5. Jasmine tea. Herbal tea aids in the removal of toxins from the body. Jasmine tea aids in this process, as well as soothing the digestive system and eliminating odors. 6. Rosemary. Rosemary is one of those herbs that helps give the body a very pleasant scent. If you like it, consider yourself extremely fortunate. The reason for this is that rosemary can act as a natural deodorant. Rosemary contains menthol and chlorophyll, both of which are effective antibacterial agents. 7. Cardamom. Add a little cardamom to your food because it will enter your body and provide a delicious aroma. Thank you for watching and may this information useful for you.